In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more RAM to Steam games. While you can't directly give a game more physical memory than your PC has, you can make Windows and Steam use what you already have more efficiently. I will walk you through two reliable methods, setting Steam launch options that suggest a memory limit to the game and increasing your system's virtual memory to reduce crashes and stutters when physical RAM runs low. First, let's set Steam launch options. Open Steam and head to your library. Find the game you want to optimize. Right-click it and choose Properties. In the General tab, you'll see a field labeled Launch Options. In that box, type either -maxmem 8192 for 8 GB or -maxmem 16380 for 16 GB. These numbers are in megabytes, so 8192 equals 8 GB and 16380. 4 equals 16 GB. This flag suggests an upper RAM limit to some game engines, encouraging them to allocate more memory if it's available. Not every game or engine respects this setting, and it doesn't create new RAM, but it can help certain titles manage memory more aggressively. Close the window. The setting saves automatically and will apply the next time you launch the game. If you notice instability, simply remove the flag from the same box. Next, let's increase virtual memory, also known as the paging file. This allows Windows to spill over some data to disk when physical RAM is full, which can prevent memory errors. In Windows Search, type View Advanced System Settings and open it. Under the Performance section, click Settings, then go to the Advanced tab and choose Change under Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives so you can set it manually. Select your main drive, choose Custom Size and set the maximum size to a higher number. A practical starting point is to match your total RAM in megabytes. For example, if you have 8 GB of RAM, that's 8192 MB. This doesn't replace real RAM, but it gives Windows more headroom when games spike memory usage. Make sure you have enough free disk space and remember that an SSD will handle paging far better than a hard drive. Apply the changes and follow any prompts to restart if Windows asks. With these two adjustments, you are not adding physical memory, but you are helping your system allocate it more intelligently and providing a safety net when usage peaks. Test your game after each change so you can see what makes the biggest difference and feel free to roll back if a particular title doesn't benefit. Thanks for watching.